Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google application, and on the right upper corner tap on this icon and go to the settings. Right now tap here to the voice section and go to the voice match section. And as can you see, we got here the Hey Google switcher. Just turn it on to activate it. Tap to next, click yes I agree, pick continue. And as can you see, our Hey Google option is activated now. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.